Most people compare Giraffe and Mistplay the wrong way. They install both apps, play a few games, and then quickly decide which one pays more based on early impressions. But here's the truth no one tells you. Earnings on both platforms depend heavily on game availability, your playtime consistency, device compatibility, and the reward rates that change over time. In this video, we'll break down Giraffe versus Mistplay in 2026, how each app actually works, and which one tends to pay more depending on how you use them. Let's get straight into it. Both Giraffe and Mistplay are mobile reward apps that pay users for playing games. The concept sounds simple, but the earning system behind them is slightly different. Mistplay works through a unit-based system where you earn points for playing recommended games. These points can later be exchanged for rewards like gift cards. Giraffe is more straightforward. It tracks your gameplay time and rewards you based on how long you stay active in specific games. This is where most people get confused. They assume both apps pay the same for the same amount of playtime. But that is not true. For example, Jake plays random games on both apps without checking reward rates. He earns slowly and gets frustrated. Alex checks which games offer higher reward rates, focuses on those, and consistently earns more in less time. That difference is strategy, not luck. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay often offers more structured game recommendations, which can lead to higher long-term rewards if you stick with the right games. However, availability varies by region and device type. Giraffe is simpler and easier to start with, but reward rates can fluctuate depending on the games currently available. But here's the problem. Many users expect these apps to generate fast or high income. In reality, both platforms are designed for casual earnings, not full-time income. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide which app is better for you personally. Before that, you need to understand consistency. Both apps reward users who play regularly over time. Short bursts of random activity usually lead to lower earnings. Now here's the simplest comparison strategy. If you want a more structured system with potentially higher long-term rewards, Mistplay is often preferred. If you want simplicity and quick setup, Giraffe is easier to start with. Many users actually use both apps together to maximize opportunities. Let's quickly recap. Mistplay uses a unit-based rewards system. Giraffe rewards gameplay time directly. Earnings depend on game selection and consistency. Neither app guarantees high income, and using both can improve your overall results. So in 2026, the better option depends on your playstyle rather than just the app itself. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app earning breakdowns, and comment which app you currently use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.